Hi, today we talk about how to install Ignition. First, you should go to the Inductive Automation website, click download Ignition. This software all is free, but every 2 hours you have reset. Download. That's it. You can download. Okay, maybe you ask some information, your personal information, just fill. That's it. I download already. Now when install this one in the Windows 10, click Ignition SCADA software. Now it became more popular. Okay, download. It's a simple install, but you should choose location and gateway server name Ignition. Okay, we choose typical install. Okay, next. Now ready to install. Okay, now just install. Maybe I take a few minutes. You can finish. Success. Ignition successful install. Finished. Okay, now the gateway is starting. So you can find this gateway. Here should be take a moment to start this gateway. Oh, it's okay. Now switch with Vision is installed. Ignition. We choose this one. I'll read next. Username. This username. Be careful. You can't use your correct name. You have to use admin. Password depends you can decide which password. Okay, that's admin administration. Save. Okay, start gateway. Yeah, now start gateway. Okay, now it's okay. So we just start. No socks. Okay. Now we can log in. We use admitter. This one. Continue. This one still is working. Okay. So we should get a design. Download this design. Click. Yeah. That's it. Okay, so we can go to status. We find all the stuff is OPC connection. Here's automation connection 1. Here is OPC UAE service. Okay. We can add new one. We can use this one. Open design. So this all the same thing is the configuration. We can find OPC connection, this device connection, OPC UA, create new one. So we can choose all of this stuff. Same thing is, for example, Siemens i7 1200. Okay, this name, all this need a few. Before we have talk about how to configuration i7 1200 and Studio 5000. So you can check my video, last year's video. Okay. Okay, now it's configuration, all this stuff. So we can choose it's OPC client. Okay, choose local. Yeah, he can't find in this system, so he choose other service. We didn't install means unfriendly software, so needs the Windows 10, so that's why. Okay. Yeah, he started design the interface. Password. New project. Test. That's it. Here, test A, create. That's it. All the same thing. Then you can choose choose tiger, you create a tiger, you can do everything. Okay, today I just show you how to install this software, how to create all this stuff. So here's the tried models, 1 hour 50 minutes. We just use 10 minutes. So if you expire, you can activate here, or you can reset. In here have reset, you can reset. Okay, that's it. Okay, this one is all the configuration. Here's the backlight. You can choose backlight, create a new lock device. You choose here. Okay, thank you very much.